In our last video, we explored gripping, cutting, and sealing tools, the channel locks, a hacksaw, and plumber's tape. Now let's move on to two tools that help you cut and smoother finish. The pipe cutter gives you clean, precise cuts on copper or plastic piping, fast and safe. Once you cut a pipe, rough edges can cause leaks or flow problems. That's where deburring tools come in, and there are two main types used in plumbing. One, pen-style deburring tool. Lightweight and precise, this tool uses a curved blade to clean the inside edges of plastic or copper pipes. 2, reamer or combo tool. This one handles larger or metal pipes, removing burrs both inside and out, ideal for commercial-grade plumbing. This handy tool smooths the inside edges, prepping the pipe for perfect joints. These tools ensure your work is clean, professional, and reliable. What if the water won't drain? We're covering best-selling and essential clog-fighting tools next. Stay tuned!